Image manipulation is the process of altering or enhancing digital image using software or tools. It can involve simple changes like adjusting, such as removing object, combining multiple images, or creating entirely new visuals. With the growth of digital media, image manipulation has become an important skill in many fields.
Image manipulation. Image manipulation refers to modifying an image to improve its appearance or to communicate a specific message. This can be done manually or digitally using programs such as photo editing software. The goal may be to correct imperfections, enhance details, or creatively transform an image.
Why image manipulation is important? Image manipulation is important for several reasons. Visual communication. Images are powerful tools for communication. Manipulated images can clearly express ideas, emotions, or information that words alone may not fully convey. Professional quality. In photography, advertising, and media image manipulation help produce high quality and polished visuals. It removes flaws and improves clarity, making images more appealing and professional.
Artists, creativity, and art. Artists and designers use image manipulation to explore creativity. It allows them to experiment with colors, shape, and effects to create unique artworks. Information accuracy. In fields like science, medicine, and education, image manipulation can enhance image to make details clearer. For example, sharpening scans or improving visibility, helping viewers understand information better.
Uses of image manipulation. Media and advertising. Image manipulation is widely used in advertisement, posters, and social media to attract attention and promote products or services. Photography. Photographers use it to adjust lighting, remove unwanted elements, and improve overall image quality. Entertainment. Movies, games, and animations rely heavily on image manipulation and visual effects to create realistic or imaginative scenes. Journalism and documentation. Basic image adjustments like cropping or color correction help improve clarity. However, ethical use is important to avoid misleading the audience.
Ethical consideration. While image manipulation has many benefits, it must be used responsibly. Excessive or deceptive editing can spread false information or create unrealistic standards. Ethical image manipulation means being honest about changes and using edits for clarity or creativity, not deception. Conclusion. Image manipulation is a valuable and powerful tool in the digital age. It improves visual quality, supports communications, enhances creativity, and it is useful in many histories. When used ethically and responsibly, image manipulation helps convey ideas clearly and effectively.